Assalamualaikum children. I am your teacher from Herald City School, Montessori Senior. Children, today I am going to conduct the class of English, and in this class we will discuss about seasons. And children, today we will write the name of seasons in this copy. So you have to take out your copy from your bags. Now open your copy. Children, do you know that how many seasons in a year? Yes, there are 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, autumn and winter. How many seasons are these? Yes, 4 seasons. These are 4 seasons. And the first season name is spring. Spring. Do you know children? Do you know children which type of season is spring? In this seasons the flowers bloom and the new leaves grow on trees. It's such a really nice season. And the spelling of spring is S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Children, here we will write the spelling of spring. Then in front of its spelling, we will draw the flower. Now let's start our work. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. And then you will draw the flowers in front of the spelling of spring. And then you will color in it. You will also write the spelling of spring here and draw the flower. Children, you will do whole page like this. And children, the next season is summer. Summer. It's really a very hot season. And we take cold things like juices, cold drinks and ice cream also. Children, here we write the spelling of summer, then we will draw the sun. But in the beginning, you will draw the line in the center of this page and make 2 columns. You will also write the summer in this column and in another column. Children, you will write whole this page like this. And another season is autumn. Autumn, and the spelling of autumn is A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. And children, in these seasons, the leaves fall down from trees. And here you will write the spelling of autumn. Like this. In the first you will write the spelling of autumn, then you will draw the leaves. Here you will also write the spelling of autumn and draw the leaves. Children, you will do whole this page like this. And the last season is winter. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. And the winter is very cold seasons, and we would like to take hot things like coffee and tea, soup and etc. Children, here you will write the spelling of winter, then you will draw the snowman in front of winter. Now let's start our work like this. I hope children you will understand about the season's name. You will read and do this pages again and again with the guidance of your parents at home. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.